To your CFO, your latest financial spreadsheet isn't a report. It's a work of fiction. Fragmented data pipelines are masking hidden liabilities that human oversight simply cannot catch, creating a massive trust gap in your executive suite. We're revealing how AI agents are now auditing ledger entries against real-time operational flows to restore total financial clarity. It is June 2026, yet most finance deadrooms are still struggling with structural discrepancies that trigger boardroom skepticism. By deploying autonomous AI auditing, companies are finally replacing manual guesswork with a verifiable, singular source of truth. Discover how cross-referencing every transaction in real time uncovers the errors that used to keep your CFO up at night. Stop letting broken data pipelines undermine your credibility with leadership. We are bridging the divide between operational chaos and financial precision by using AI to bridge the trust gap. Learn how automated auditing transforms skepticism into certainty, providing the verified financial clarity required to thrive in today's complex economic landscape.